Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. I'm gonna do a review on a banquet meal. This is the chicken Parmesan, marinara over breaded Parmesan chicken breast patty with rib meat and rigatoni pasta, made with 100% natural chicken breast with rib meat. 100% natural chicken breast with rib meat. Okay. It's natural chicken breast and rib meat. All right. Just sounded kind of funny. Because when you see, when I see 100% of something, it's just that, not something else added with it. You know what I mean? Let's just say, for example, like Ocean Spray says, a lot of them says 100% juice. Okay, that's one thing. Well, I guess it could be more than one thing. It's just juice. It's not a particular juice. It's not 100% orange juice. It's not 100% pineapple juice. It's 100% juice. So, okay, well, I guess I don't really have an argument on that. But calories of 340 calories per meal. Total fat 10 grams, saturated fat 2 grams, cholesterol less than 5 milligrams. Sodium 600 milligrams, total carbs is 48 grams, dietary fiber 3 grams, total sugars 4 grams, includes 1 gram added sugars, protein 14 grams, calcium 80 milligrams, iron 2.4 milligrams, potassium 160 milligrams. Okay. Made with real Parmesan cheese. Like that. Banquet invites you to pull up a chair and enjoy classic made in America comfort food. Like you, we believe in quality and good, honest value and trust you'll taste in our chicken Parmesan featuring marinara sauce served over rigatoni pasta. Okay. There's the picture again. And I'm going to show you what I got down here. A pretty decent size patty there. The pasta in the picture shows it pretty consistently covered with the sauce. I don't know. I don't think they put enough sauce on here to cover it that well. Get it kind of all out here. No, there needs to be a little bit more sauce available in this meal for it to be correct. Let me cut it in half here, take a look. That looks pretty good. Let me kind of show you again. I was able to cover all the pasta decently, but it's still not enough to really cover it well like in the picture. But getting the pasta, getting that sauce. Getting a little onion. Getting the patty, that chicken patty there. Smells good. Smells like there's some garlic in there as well. Maybe a little vinegar. let's look at the description. I mean, the ingredients. Sorry. Do I get the Parmesan? Not like not real big, but it's there. I get the rigatoni pasta. Tomato paste, I definitely get that. It's actually, excuse me, pretty strong on there. I should have mentioned it. Onions, yes, contains 2% or less of Parmesan cheese. Crushed garlic. Rochester crumbs. That must be the breaded stuff on the patty. Salt, spices, garlic powder, contains 2% or less of, mentions Parmesan cheese again. Cheese culture, flavorings, fried in vegetable oil. Doesn't say anything about vinegar. I'm probably smelling the tomato sauce, the tomato paste, which kind of smells like vinegar. Okay, gave it a little time to cool down just a little bit. Excuse me. Big tomato paste taste. You get the pasta, the garlic powder, salty, the onions. Tomato paste is pretty strong. Maybe just a little bit too much. Let's try a patty bite. It's very tender. Breadcrumbs. The the bottom of it has a lot of tomato paste on that too. The sauce is made up of the tomato paste. It's all over everything. It's just they just didn't consistently cover, just give you enough of the sauce to cover everything. But if it's going to taste like this strong, I'm kind of glad I didn't get that much. I'm not getting the Parmesan cheese very much. The fatty is okay. And the pasta's good. That sauce is too much. There's all kinds of herbs and spices in there. Crushed garlic. Oh, there's distilled vinegar right there. I missed it. Corn syrup, water, salt, spices. Spice, paprika, spices, it mentions a lot of salt. It mentions spices 2 or 3 times. Actually, I mentioned Parmesan cheese twice, but I'm not getting it. Anyway, it's okay. I like tomato. I think that maybe the tomato sauce might have maybe just like a little bit too much vinegar and a little too much garlic in it or something maybe. It's making it a little bit too strong, a little overpowering for me. So you guys might like it, but it's edible, don't get me wrong. And it tastes good. It's just like too strong for me. There you go. I give it a 4. That's not too bad. 4 out of 5. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.